This ravioli dish is so easy to make and delicious. To make this recipe, cook your favorite ravioli per package directions, and in a pan on medium heat, heat olive oil with 2 tablespoons of butter and a half a teaspoon of garlic. Add spinach or greens and cook until wilted. You could cook a small package of spinach because it cooks down quite a bit. Drain the ravioli and add it to your pan, and add salt and pepper and additional olive oil as desired. Garnish with Parmesan cheese, and you have a delicious, simple, easy meal. Enjoy. Take care till next time. Happy cooking.